In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train ChatGPT on your own data. Tuning Muskak's 26 full guide. We'll start by getting your data into the conversation so the model understands your business context. Keep your inputs raw and complete. Avoid summarizing. If your notes are in a local text file, copy them and paste them directly into the main prompt field. Include essentials like your core products or services, your target market details, current milestones, and any constraints. If your data lives in documents or spreadsheets, use the upload flow. Click the plus icon on the left edge of the prompt bar. Choose Add Photos and Files, then upload your Word docs, PDFs, or Excel sheets. Give each file a clear name, and when pasting text, add quick labels like products, audience, and KPIs so the AI can parse sections cleanly. Before you save anything to your global settings, pressure test the data in a live chat. Ask the model to extract and organize what matters most so you can validate both accuracy and usefulness. A helpful starter prompt is analyze the attached operational profile and financial data. Act as a senior growth consultant. Identify the 3 highest impact focus areas to improve margins, scale production, and raise conversion rates. Use clear, action-focused headers. This not only surfaces immediate insights, it also reveals gaps you might want to fill before you commit information more permanently. Once you're happy with the baseline, map it into custom instructions so your context carries across future chats. Open settings from the bottom left of the app, select personalization, then find custom instructions and turn on enable customization. In the field labeled, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you? Paste your business profile, current initiatives, industry niche, and long-term goals. In how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Define your output preferences such as tone, structure, and formatting style. Click Save, and these instructions apply across your connected devices. Keep this section evergreen and avoid storing sensitive data here. Both custom instructions fields cap at 1,500 characters. If you hit the limit, compress your text. Replace prose with concise fragments. Use separators like semicolons and keep each idea short and scannable so you preserve the most important context. If you need more adaptability, turn on memory and settings under personalization. Then, in any chat, you can say, please save this data point to memory. As of May 2026, our production queue is 250 units per week. You'll see a brief confirmation, and that fact will be available in future conversations. That's it. With a few minutes of setup, you'll turn ChatGPT into a context-aware partner that mirrors your business reality and delivers faster, sharper guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in